What is up, guys? Big M here, and currently just leaving St Mary's Lighthouse, and still getting used to seeing a little session down there. I wanted to kind of bring you a bit of a update vlog on the sort of the bike, and obviously when I crashed the bike. It's been well over a month now since I had the misfortune of crashing the bike, and obviously I did put a video up telling you guys how much it would be to fix everything on the bike. Now, it was over 1,500 quid, and I wasn't going to pay that, to be honest, because some of the stuff on the list was things like my mirrors. They've only got a few scratches on. I'm not going to replace them. And after sort of deliberating for quite some time, it's taken this sort of long to decide what I really wanted to do, because as of next year, I am going to be taking my full bike test, because I can do my direct access. After I've finished the direct access, I can drive any size bike I want. So I can upgrade from a 125 and actually hit that 70 mile an hour mark. So I didn't want to spend like 600-700 quid on changing the fairings that were scratched or doing other bits and bobs to the bike, which a lot of our sort of surface scratches anyways. So I believe I'm probably gonna have this bike another year, and then I'll probably upgrade, just have the joys of ripping the L plates off once I pass the full test. So what I decided was, in the video of the crash, you'll see sort of a part which flew off, and I kind of just threw it into the bushes. I did retrieve it. It's in the house. But I'll put that clip in now, just me lobbing the part away because in my frustration. So that piece of fairing was the only bit that sort of really broke, like seriously broke, because all the little connectors and pins that connected it to the bike, they all snapped off bar one, and that one was not going to keep it attached. So basically what I've done is I've ordered that part from a genuine Honda site, because I want to make sure it's a genuine Honda one. I don't want to try and make it fiddly, or it's not going to fit, or the colour isn't going to match correctly. I'm not assuming the colour is going to match perfectly, because this one in the UK, it's called Sienna Red, and apparently, according to many forums that I looked at, because I didn't just sort of go, yeah, I think that's the right colour, buy it, I made sure I checked. The Sienna Red that's in the UK is the same as, but slightly darker than the Candy Rosy Red, I believe it's called. So that's the sort of one I went with, because the amount of people that said it is pretty much exactly the same colour, but they believe that my Sienna Red bike is slightly darker. That's the only part I'm really going to replace for now, because the rest of them, yes, this side panel here, it is cracked slightly, and the connector at the top here is that's snapped off, but it holds on, and it's only like the holding down. So when I put this panel back on, that'll clip that down anyways, and the scratches that are on it. So I kind of want to get that bit of fairing on, and I think that'll be good for me, in the way of the way the bike looks, obviously after the crash and repairing certain parts. So I kind of want to just bring you this update. I know a few of you might have been wondering what I decided to do with the bike. Hopefully the part will be coming in the next couple of days. And obviously with that last video, you might have seen that the outro was a bit different. I wanted to try and make it a bit more me. So the whole point of me is the riding, the vlogging, and Newcastle. So I thought, what better than a front view of me, the bike, and a staple of Newcastle, which, if you live in Newcastle, it's the Tyne Bridge. So now in the outro, you're going to have the option to click in one of the corners to see my most recent video, and the other video is going to be one that's chosen by YouTube to sort of recommend you to watch. Don't have to if you don't want to, but and right in the middle of it, right on my chest there, is going to be my little subscribe button. So if you are not currently subscribed, in the outro, you will see that my lovely big M on my chest. Please hit that subscribe button. It really does help. I've seen this channel grow ridiculously huge from what it was. I think it's been about 5 months since I started this channel, actually motovlogging. I went from having about 6 subscribers when I first started to now up to 120 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. So thank you guys. And as always, ride safe, but have fun.
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change you.